Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to remove public from URL in Laravel 7. So I have some steps. So suppose I have this project which I am working nowadays. So I don't want to show you exactly everything about this code, but I have one Laravel project and recently I have set up in the server. So if you have any doubt related to this video, if you want to live example, so just comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make another video to show you uh, how to host your website in how to host your Laravel 7 project inside of the EC2 machine or any other servers. Okay, so first of step, you deploy a code inside of your machine. Then you rename of the server.php, which is in root directory basically. So just rename the server.php to index.php. Then you need to do, just copy .htaccess file from public folder to root folder, then changing the .htaccess is better follows the static something. So you can change from the one step is for the index, then you have to put this particular code. Then suppose this URL public URL you need to put, and this one you need to put inside of the your .htaccess files. So you can check out the particular this URL, and also I will give the inside of the descriptions area. And if you want to brief introductions about these tutorials, how to deploy from local to server, so please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make another video to show you how to host your website in Laravel 7 website to the server. Thank you for watching this video.